How to change currency on Binance app. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I bring you back with yet another crypto related topic, and in this case we're talking about Binance, one of the top most leading trade crypto markets out there. So basically what we're going to be talking about is currency and how you're going to change it on Bitcoin. Okay, so basically we are going to go ahead and come to our Binance, okay? And in this case, you can do the same with your phone or your mobile app. Once you come to your Binance, all you're going to do from there is you're going to go ahead, make sure you're logged in. Once you're logged in, you're going to go into the settings in your browser, or your Google's case, you're just going to come here where it says currency, and you can change the currency to whatever your own currency is. Or you could go ahead with like in the case that you're using your mobile apps, or your phone app, you could simply go into your account setting, and once you go into your account setting, from there just go ahead and access your settings, go into currency, and everything should be changed in the easiest way. So yeah, that's how you're going to change currency in Binance. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.